This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your VW Beetle faster. We'll dive into key areas like engine upgrades, suspension enhancements, and strategic weight reduction. Whether you're aiming for a modest boost or a significant increase in speed, understanding these core principles will guide your modifications. Remember, a balanced approach often yields the best results for both performance and drivability. Let's get started on transforming your classic Beetle. To significantly boost your Beetle's speed, engine upgrades are crucial. You can start by increasing displacement with larger pistons and cylinders, moving from, say, 1,200 cubic centimeters to 1,600 cubic centimeters or more. Installing a performance carburetor, like a Weber, ensures better fuel delivery. A free-flowing exhaust system improves gas expulsion, and for serious power, consider adding a turbocharger or supercharger for forced induction, potentially doubling horsepower. Speed isn't just about raw power, handling is equally vital. Lowering your Beetle's suspension by 1 to 2 inches reduces its center of gravity, improving stability. Stiffer shocks and springs will provide much better control, especially during spirited driving. Upgrading to wider, performance-oriented tires, perhaps moving from 155 to 185 millimeters, significantly enhances grip. Don't forget sway bars, which effectively minimize body roll, making your Beetle feel much more planted through corners. Finally, shedding weight and improving aerodynamics can make a noticeable difference. Removing non-essential interior components, such as rear seats or sound deadening, can save 50 to 100 pounds. Replacing heavy steel parts with lightweight fiberglass alternatives, like fenders or hoods, further reduces mass. While extensive aerodynamic changes are challenging for a Beetle, subtle modifications can help. Remember, every pound removed improves your power-to-weight ratio, making your Beetle feel quicker and more agile on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.